Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back in another episode of Nisrin Spirituality. In here, you learn all about how to level up your life and live fully and with full joy. So, today I wanted to speak about a concept that is very important in life generally and in spirituality particularly. So, it is healing. What is healing and what does healers do to heal, or how do they heal? uh, so healing is, of course, it can be physical, so it is the body using its um, its inner abilities to cure the disease or whatever imbalance occurs within the body and the physical body. And then we have the emotional healing and the healing of the emotional body, if you want to call it like that. But the healing of uh, the imbalance within one's self that is preventing us from fulfilling our purpose in life. This is uh, why, or when we need to heal, when we are not actually living a life of joy and we are not creating and just being out there free and running happy, right? So we need healing then. So what that does a healer do? So myself as a trauma therapist and intuitive catalyst healer, I have a lot of experience with people who came to me to heal from their wounds in their past trauma, especially childhood trauma. So, what I want to tell you today is that the healers or the healer only job is to hold a space for the person or the persons. We healers hold this safe environment uh, with no judgments, and we hold this space for the person to use its inner power and ability of healing, because yes, within us we have healing abilities, innate healing abilities, and we just wasn't weren't taught that when we were young. And that is why we don't believe in that. We don't believe that we are capable of healing ourselves. And um, some people come to healers and to therapists to prove that they will not heal. I mean, how can a healer heal somebody that don't want or comes with the intention that he is or she is incurable? So I was saying that the healers or healer only hold that space for the person to activate their inner abilities to heal itself. The healer will, yes, will guide the person towards its blockages and emotions that are not being processed. And then the person will decide whether it wants to start letting go of that and um, activating this inner ability to just process everything and uh, introduce that inner balance. Uh, a good healer also will observe and recognize the roots of the problem. And a good healer is a good listener. It will listen attentively to the person that is wanting to heal and how it is actually describing the problem, and then it will guide the person towards uh, the problem or the blockages in order to invite the person to let go of resistance and just let the being or the inner self do its job of healing the wounds and letting go of uh, the past traumas, right? So, healing or healer do this, but the people or the persons have to be willing and have to believe that they will heal. Otherwise, a healer cannot force the destiny of somebody. If you are not willing to heal and to be fully you and your inner self, then a healer have no rights to force you in that. Because guess what? The universe gave us total choice and freedom to actually explore any theme we want. So if you maybe somebody came to explore negativity all his life, then it will be this way. This person will never heal because if its theme is to explore negativity, and there is nothing wrong with that. It serves a purpose of the higher self of that person. So just to make sure what a healer do and how we actually heal and how important it is to have this intention and this belief that I am going to heal. I'm just using the guidance and the help of a healer to achieve my belief or to achieve my what I am willing to do. I hope this video was beneficial. I hope it helped you to understand healing and look at it in a new way as a participant and not somebody who is there and we are going to do things with it. You are an active participant in healing, so use your power. Until next time, take care of yourself and love you so much.